owner, no?
Hi, my name is Jesus Martinez. I'm with Martinez of Cigar. We've been in business since 1974. I'm a third generation in the cigar business. We are located in New York. We manufacture all the cigars in-house. We do all the cigar factory in New York State. We're here at TPE. This is our second show, 2021 here in Vegas. And it's going really well. You know, coming in, we weren't expecting, not sure what to expect because of the pandemic, but the show has been great. The attendance, well, the response we're getting for our new product. Yeah, this year we're introducing Patrimonio. That's we're showcasing the TPE 2021. It's a cigar that we actually came up with it. I found some of my father's note on his favorite tobacco, and you know, I said, you know what, let me play around with it and use two of the leaves that he had on his note, and you know, he came out really, really good. We were very happy with the blend. It's medium to full body. We have two versions for the wrapper. One is Arapiraca from Brazil, and the other one is San Andre. The filler is Nicaraguan and Dominican Ligero and Cubanito. Those two were my father's favorite leaves. And we said, you know what, let's play, because he knew what he was doing for years, so, you know, can't go wrong with that. So it's a beautiful box. Everybody been complimenting us on the color. We went with some of the, you know, the blue. We just picked the blue because the white really shows up nice, and it's right along with some of the other bands we have done in the past. Right now, we did a partnership with Luxury Cigar Club. They will be distributing Patrimonio through their retail program. And we also going to have it on our website, martinezcigars.com, sometime in June. You can follow us on Instagram, Martinez Cigars, or you can check our website, martinezcigars.com, and you can try our stuff. We expanding little by little because we have our production is a little limited for the time being, but it's going really well. Thank you.